morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today we're out in the Netherlands in search of some predatory fish. Today we're going out on the boat with my buddy Floor, and he's got a little John boat that we're going to take on a couple river systems here in this town, and we're going to see if we can either get on some asp on the top water or some pike, perch, or zander on swim baits, jerk baits, or some little plugs. And yeah, we'll be recording the whole day, so hopefully you guys see us get on some stuff, and hopefully you learn some. We'll be explaining some new techniques as well, so yeah, hopefully it'll be a interesting Dutch experience. We'll show you guys out on the water, and yeah, man, let's get to it. Duo top water. You can see the brand name there. But yeah, we're gonna give this some try for some asp. Okay. Oh yeah. Give it a try. Just give it little twitches. But the action of this thing is nice though, eh, Floor? Like, I like it. Look at the... Just on top of the surface. Yeah. It looks good though. I like it. But usually you see the asp jump, right? If they're at the spot. Yeah. But I feel like I'm like GT fishing with this little popper, just like twitching it. It's too much fun. Yeah, I love it. Some lures. Oh yeah. Should we go grab them? Of course. Okay. Okay, let's grab the lures. Found some lures in the tree. Gonna go pick them up. You got it? No way. How does it look? Oh, man. Check out that fucking sick lure, Floor, eh? From the top of the tree. Yeah. Wow. So cool, man. Cool. Take this shitty line out. There we go. Help the river a bit. Beauty morning. Gorgeous spot. We're gonna try and take the John boat and pop it up there.
I was like, man.
That close, eh? That close.
Oh, man.
That's crazy. Yeah. Okay.
There's a lot of snacks.
Yeah.
Usually for trolling, I like to set it pretty tight.
Yeah.
So
just so it get that good hook set.
Yeah.
Like 5 or 10 times. Fish on, baby. Nice, Floor, nice.
Look at it. It's nice to see the small fish taking the big lure, you know?
Oh yeah. Look at that little guy. Hey, first fish of the day though. Nice job. Oh, I just got grabbed. Oh no, I got hit. I have one. You have one? Nice, boy, nice. Oh, shit, nice. Woohoo! Whoa! Holy bro, the colors on this one are insane. Should I grab him by the gills, maybe?
Yeah. She got the lens flap. Oh damn, watch out, man. These small ones are dangerous.
Okay.
Thanks for small pike.
Yeah. Nice little fish. Beauty. Beautiful fish, eh?
Look at that hat too.
Okay. Release it.
Just kind of revibrate.
Yeah. You ready, buddy? I think he'll kick
That's
off.
normal in the warm weather.
Yeah.
It'll take a while. Yeah, there she goes.
Nice. You think a pike?
On this rod, it seems like.
Oh yeah.
Not that big.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Okay, I'll get the release on her. Wow, beautiful pike. Not that scarred up, eh? It's a clean fish.
Yeah, it's a clean fish.
Let's get a release on her. Oh,
She
easy. Fish. Little perch. Nice little perch. Putting them back in. Is it legal? A little bit bigger. I mean, honestly, not that high. There. Check this little guy out. You can see the color patterning on them change as well. This one's got those nice bars. Beautiful perch. Keep going. Floor's hooked up. Nice. There's another one. These are gorgeous fish though. Yeah, so me and Floor went up with the Jumbo up this little river here, and we've been running these little small kind of micro crankbaits. You can see them here. These ones are from Salmo. What are these called again?
It's the Hornet, Salmo Hornet.
The Hornets. And some of these rattle, some of them don't. But they go about, I don't know, what would you say, Floor? Like a meter deep, something?
Yeah, probably 1.5, maybe 2.
And basically we're just running the rods off the back, taking these small crankbaits, and we're catching perch and also pike. And it's been super effective in these small little, yeah, kind of creek river systems in the Netherlands. And yeah, so far we both caught fish today, and we're gonna go back down the river and go to the it's actually the main river that this one connects to, and see if we can catch some Zander or some other pike. So we'll get back to you in a bit. Yeah, so now we stopped at this bridge spot. Before we were using this bait here, just little crankbaits. But now we're switching to just a small little jig with a 10-gram head and chucking it under this bridge here. We're gonna give it some tries and see if we can catch a Zander or something. Because the Zander, you know, they tend to live in these areas that have limited light, so low visibility. I'll put up a photo of their eyes and how they look in the nighttime. They almost look purple, and it's because they have super good vision in low light situations. And also in an area like a bridge, it's dark, but it also has these steep, flat sidewalls. And the Zander will tend to ambush prey using the sidewalls. And they also find it comforting as well. So areas with these kind of features tend to have more Zander. So yeah, we'll give it a try. Check these baits out. It's like an articulated swim bait, soft plastic swim bait. I think they're about 6 cm. But yeah, these look deadly. So after not catching any fish at the spot,
We really wanted to aim to try to catch pike, perch, zander, and asp. And to get the zander and asp, we had to go back down river, down the spillway, and try a couple of other spots because up in this river wasn't that effective and we weren't catching that much. So that's what we did. We ended up going down river, and you'll see what happens next.
This is the one that Floor has on. This is the one I'll try. We'll put them up to the test. See what they can do. Yeah, we'll see what they can do. Thanks, Floor. Nice. Ate the swim jig. That looked like a bite. Nice, bro. I got that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Little guy. Oh yeah. Nice fish.
Just little standard size.
Nice one, eh? Nice fish, bro. Nice, bro. Ate that jig, eh? Nice. Right in the corner of the mouth. Beauty fish. Beauty Zander. Wow. Hook came out. That's a beauty.
Let's put it back.
Yeah, yeah. Nice, bro. Hell yeah.
So after fishing for a couple of hours and only catching one zander and not getting any more bites, we decided to switch up for the fourth species, the asp, also known as the Dutch tarpon. For these fish, we're using mainly topwater lures, topwater poppers, salmo slider, and micro crankbaits, and you'll see what happened.
One hit it, I swear.
Oh, I got it! I got it!
Small one, really small. What is this? It's like the head. It's really small.
It's a baby asp.
It's a baby. I think you can just lift this one.
Yeah. Nice, bro. Oh my god, I got it. I got it. Holy shit.
She's running there.
Dude. Let's see this fish.
She got some kicking left in.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Fucking nice ass.
It's not as big as I thought, actually. But it's a decent one.
It's a good one though. Let that baby go. Hold her up for a second. Oh, there he goes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's the action. Right? Yeah. Oh, no one! Let's go, baby! Woo! It's a little guy. Little guy. Doesn't matter, bro. Small one. We got a small one. Rough, dude. It's not that little. Good. There we go. There she is. Beautiful little fish. Alright, we're gonna let her go. Woo!
Hey, nice Floor. I'll meet you down there. Yeah, hey everybody, we're back. Me and Floor have been going up and down all these canals. We fished that last spot for asp, and then earlier in the day we fished for pike. But now it's actually raining
outside of this bridge, and we're propped up with the anchor out here. Here, Flo. Chilling. We got some food too. Just wanted to show you what a little quick Dutch meal looks like. Here's the fries special. Onions, mayonnaise, and it's curry sauce, right?
Yeah, curry ketchup.
And curry sauce. And then here we got like a little fries, like cheese bread. And then there's another kip. I think it's like a kip.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Corn we got it. I don't know.
Yeah,
Chicken corn.
chicken corn, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna get back to the river and keep fishing. Hopefully get some Zander later. We'll get back to you.
Cameron is hooked up right after the fucking dinner on the same spot still. Or maybe I can't swear in this video, but yeah, you can do whatever.
So after looking back at the footage, I realized that there were some parts where the camera was out of focus, so I just wanted to apologize for that. But after that pike, that was the last fish of the day. We went back and called it a day. But at the end of the day, we found these funny little flamingo type birds. I think they're feeding for something. Don't know what they are in the comments. You can let me know if you know. But it was the last thing we saw before we went back. And yeah, overall it was a good day. Thanks for tuning into the video, and see you in the next one.